All right, I got a pretty heavy leak on this, and had some roots that I had dug up, and so I think I've got I would bet that there's just too many roots flowing to that, so I'm going to dig it out some more, see what's going on with it. Right. Well, there it is. Seal's busted. So this shouldn't be too bad. I actually have the parts to do it. So I'll dig into that and get that little gusher stopped. Okay. Okay. So I took that out, and I have the two rings that have to be replaced, and the hardest part is getting that cap off, which I'll show you in a few minutes. Alright, I'm going to try this again. Getting this cap off is not a piece of cake by any means. So if I break it, so be it. They're not that expensive. There we go. So I think I just had some debris in there. It's causing it to leak, but since I've gone this far, I'm going to take the rest of it off. Take your hard seal, and those are rings. It's got this little ring at the bottom. Ring down. Take your new seal, and it's got a cup in there too. Face down. And slide it over that little lip there. And now I got that off without breaking it. But you need to really hold this down and put that cap on. Oh, wait a minute. Shoot. Oh, man. I really wanted to clean that out, but it's clean enough, I'm pretty sure. There we go. So that's it. So those are the old ones. And I still have some other ones, because I remember you had said that you had some leaky ones, and you can buy these, and then that's it, and you can just toss those, which I probably think those were good, but as you saw, it just had some debris on them, and so we're going to go screw this back in and see what we got. Okay. So really, you just take this and screw that down. That's tight. This arrow, I'll probably have to make some adjustments on it. But if I have to make adjustments on that as to where it shoots, I don't really care. It's not a big deal to do that. That's it. Okay. I'm going to go turn this thing back on and see if I don't have any leaks around the top there. Keep our fingers crossed. All right. Yeah, there it is. Leak has stopped. So really, I just gotta fill that back in with dirt and straighten this up a little bit, and I'll be good to go on that. So that's really all the leak was. But anyways, that's all. It's all fixed. So it's an easy fix. So that's it.